Want to catch rare Pokemon or join remote 5-star raids in Pokemon GO without actually traveling? In this video, I'm going to show you a trick to teleport anywhere in the world, whether it's Central Park in New York, Osaka, or even Paris, and play like you're physically there. All you need is a simple tool called AnyTo. It works on both Android and iOS. No root, no jailbreak required. Let's jump straight in. First, head to this official iMyFone AnyTo website. I've dropped the link in the description. Just click on Try It Free to get started. Installing it is super easy, just like any other app. You can try it out using the link in the description below. Once the setup is complete, you'll land on the AnyTo main interface. Also, take a moment to read the disclaimer. Since this software is designed to protect your real location, it should be used for privacy and educational purposes only. Please don't misuse it or attempt to cheat. Before getting started, log in with your registered account. Then click Get Started. You'll now need to connect your iOS or Android device to your PC. Now choose your location mocking mode, game mode or universal mode. I'll go with game mode since I'm using Pokemon GO. Select USB Wi-Fi option. It will start downloading the required resources. Alright, it's starting to connect. Alright, so as you can see, it shows my current location. You can place the pin here or here. This is teleport mode. You can also enable fluctuation mode and AR game assistant mode. If I click on move, yes, the character starts moving based on the GPS point. Let's place it here. And yes, the character begins to fluctuate around the location. You can also see the total distance and the cooldown time right here. Now let's change our location to New York. Click on move, and alright, it's updated, and yes, it's really accurate. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience and to avoid delays. On top, we have more modes. Jump teleport mode lets you jump directly from one location to another. Here, I placed a point. Now select the character movement style you want, then click Move. As you can see, the character instantly moves to that point. You can also set multiple teleport points to jump between different locations. Now switching to 2-spot mode. You can place 2 points or choose random locations. Customize the timing and adjust the speed based on walking, cycling, or driving. Enable realistic mode and eye tracking mode, then click Move. And there you go. The character moves in a realistic way and it's quite accurate. Same for multi-spot mode. You can place multiple points across different locations. I'll set a few points here. Customize the speed values and click Move. You can even create multiple routes across various locations. Then there's joystick mode. This lets you control the GPS using your keyboard. You can control the character's movement at custom speeds. There's also an auto mode, where the GPS moves automatically while you stay in control. You can check your historical records, like saved spots and routes you've visited. And one more thing. With this tool, you can easily find Pokemon across various locations. It includes built-in PoGo tools to generate routes, hatch eggs, and more. It's super simple and easy to use. Sounds crazy, right? There's also a PoGo Search feature. Like, if you're looking for a specific Pokemon like Dratini or Beldum, you can use the built-in search. Just type the name, and it'll show you where it's currently spawning. Then go ahead and teleport there to catch it. You can also set the cooldown timer, and this one's important so you don't accidentally get soft banned. It tracks your last teleport and tells you when it's safe to act again. Super useful for playing it safe. And here's the best part. AnyTo is running a huge giveaway right now. Just head over to their event page, links in the description, and share your favorite coordinates to get SVIP access totally free. That unlocks all the premium features we just saw. Plus, you'll be entered to win free Pokecoins, GoFest Global tickets, and even a lifetime license for AnyTo. I've already joined. Make sure you don't miss out. So that's how you can spoof your location safely in Pokemon Go and catch rarer Pokemon from anywhere in the world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.